there, I have 2 kits to share. I thought I would share with you guys some kits that I got. I'm going to start off with actually Tailored Expressions kit. So I do love Tailored Expressions. So I got, well, first of all, when you buy something from them, you always get a little gift. So let's see what this gift is. It is this little flower, and so I got that. And then before I get into the kit stuff, I did buy some things that kind of this is sea salt paper. This is blue raspberry. Kind of changing out my paper, so I might get rid of some paper that I have. This is the Creating Quads Paper Pack Sugar Cube. And then I got some rose gold foil cardstock. And then with the kit, this is a Over the Moon kit. So I did buy the add-on, which is the Foil-It add-on. So I did buy that. And then the kit comes in these bags. So I kind of love that because I love having everything all together. It's labeled. It just makes it easy to play with. And if you use all the stuff in it, then you can reuse the bag for something else. So in the kit, you get the Over the Moon stamp set, which I thought was really cute. And then you get the Shooting Stars background, which I really like that one. And then you get these, I think these are envelopes, because they have these rose gold envelopes. You get the Over the Moon die and the Moon and the Stars die. So, really cute. So that's the kit. Oh, you also get these gold stars. So that's the kit. I'm going to pull that in here. And then the other thing, I have like kits I haven't even used yet. Oh, it's so terrible. I've got all this stuff to clean up when summer starts. Is this Craft Tonic kit. So I don't belong to their kit club. Most of what they do, I don't really, I don't want to say use, but they used to have a lot of ornate dyes, and it's really not my style. But anyway, I really liked this kit, and this was something that they had on sale, part of their vault. And so I'm going to get everything out that they give you for this one. This one is called, I think it's Sweet Sorbet. I don't know. What is it called? It is called, no, just Tonic Craft Kit. It doesn't say the name of the kit, so I don't know. I will say that I'm not a fan of the packing peanuts they have in here. I gotta take these peanuts out, otherwise they're gonna fall all over the place when I take this other stuff out. My craft room is the biggest disaster it's ever been in my life. Well, I shouldn't say that biggest, but it's up there. So, let's see. I'm gonna put everything back in the box. All right. So, you get this vanilla envelope. It is filled with specialty papers. So you've got some, like, I don't know, this kind of sheen, and then you've got the mirrored cardstock, a 3D paper, so kind of a glitter papers, glitter with like a pattern. So you get these, you get those papers. They're all different sizes. 8.5 by 11 to bigger than 8.5 by 11. I'm going to put them back in here so I don't get messed up, because I am going to just do a day where I just work on everything in this kit and at least kill some of the papers. Okay. Then you also get the Sweet Sorbet patterned paper, double-sided paper pack, 24 sheets, all in this pastels. think the color combination they have is very interesting because it's pastel and then all of a sudden they give you this bright blue and this like yellow embossing powder, but I don't know. I guess I'll make it work. In here is the kit. So the kit is these lollipops. And so I really liked it. They're really big, so I'm going to make big cards with it. So you can make 2 different sizes of lollipops. Those are dies. And then there's more dies on this side where you can make this different shape of a lolly. So you get quite a few little dies. Plus you get these little faces. You get a cute little sticker. And then here's your stamp set. Very cute. I really liked the dies, which is why I got this kit, really. Then you get the shaker refill sets. And so this contains 5 shaker blisters. So, and then you get the lolly one. So you get the 2 different sizes. They go with those dies. And then I'll go ahead and, I'll definitely do that. And then you get some ink. So you get, this is a hybrid blue mineral ink. And then this is glacier paste, this little mini paste. You get this yellow, it's called Honey Days embossing powder. You get this blue sherbet glitter, which you also could put in the shaker. This is also shaker bits called Candy Hearts. It's the Pure Sheen Confetti Candy Hearts. And then it's vintage drops in a mystery color, kind of purple. And then this one is Lilac Waterfall. I think these are drops. So these are like vintage drops, and I think these are regular drops. And so I love the size of them because they're actually the really good size, because I feel like the other sizes should be too big, you know. And so those are the 2 kits I got. So let me know what you think about Tonic's kits. This is the one I really think is going to float my boat. So I can't wait to try it out this summer. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy Creating the Heart.